It's the middle of the night. Your phone rings. It's your kid. And he says, "Dad, I've been arrested." Your heart drops, your head spins, and instantly you're wondering, what do I do next? Most people freeze. They wait, hoping things will just sort themselves out. But the reality is, the moment that arrest happens, law enforcement is already moving forward. They're collecting evidence, they're taking statements, and locking in their version of events. But here's the danger. While you're still scrambling around trying to figure out what's happening, your loved one might be talking too much, trusting the wrong people, or giving information that will be used against them later. Unfortunately, by the time most families get a lawyer involved, they're already playing from behind. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens in those first critical hours after an arrest, and how acting fast can mean the difference between damage control and protecting your future. My name is Brian Epps. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. My job is to protect your rights and keep you out of jail. Look, when you're busted, the clock starts the moment you're arrested. Police reports are written, witnesses are interviewed, and prosecutors may even be reviewing the file before your bail is set. And every minute without legal protection, that just puts you further behind. Most people think cooperating is the best option. They want to talk to the police, try to explain their situation, hoping being honest will clear things up. And some even wait until their first court date before they think about calling an attorney. And by the time you realize it, you've said too much or waited too long. The prosecution already has an advantage that you can't take back. That's why our team doesn't sit back and wait for the system to run its course. We get involved right away. We want to immediately put a barrier between you and the investigator. Right out of the gate, we shift the dynamic. Instead of you being at their mercy, you now have a team that knows the playbook, knows the players, and knows how to fight back. We don't just react, we set the tone. We deal directly with law enforcement, we communicate with the prosecutors, but most importantly, we take control of the narrative, so you aren't being steamrolled by the system. So this is exactly how our process works. We protect your rights immediately. We make sure no damaging statements are made. Silence can be your best friend, and we ensure nothing you say is twisted into evidence and used against you. But the second thing we need to do is secure your release quickly. For example, bond is often the first battle, and we don't want you stuck behind bars while the state builds their case against you. And that's why we don't wait until the case is set in stone. We start our own investigation. We talk to witnesses, and we ensure the prosecution's version of events isn't the only story in play. And by getting ahead of the process, we keep all of your options open for reduced charges, better plea offers, or even case dismissals. If you or someone you love has been arrested, don't wait until it's too late. What you do in the first 24 hours means more than what you realize. Schedule a consultation with our office. We'll spend about 30 minutes walking you through your situation and advising you on the next steps to take, completely free of charge. Follow the instructions next to this video and get scheduled now.